After a morning of gardening, Cindy and her neighbor Joan need to relax. Cindy likes to relax in her old recliner. Joan knows her VivaLift Infinity Power Recliner offers the most comfort. Oh no, Cindy's recliner doesn't give her the support she needs. Power lumbar and a full-width power headrest let Joan customize her comfort needs. Cindy needs to charge her tablet, but the outlet is far away. Joan charges her tablet with the USB port on her hand control. The footrest extension lets Joan stretch out. Cindy's recliner doesn't have that benefit. Luckily, Joan introduces Cindy to VivaLift. The Infinity Recliner has true infinite 4-motor positioning to meet your comfort needs. Lithium backup battery ensures the chair lifts you safely when the power goes out. Thanks to Joan, Cindy is ready to enjoy countless comfortable position combinations on her new VivaLift, the Infinity Collection by VivaLift Power Recliners. It really is the most comfortable recliner in the world.